Hey, this is Jen Boyd, and in this video, I'll be sharing a holistic approach using Feng Shui principles to create a natural, beautiful lifestyle and home. These principles will help you uplift the energy in your home and create a positive flow that feels good and supports a holistic lifestyle. Just as you focus on eating healthy and exercising and mindfulness, it's equally important to focus on the energy in your home. And together, this creates harmony and balance in your life. Your home is the foundation. It's where you live, love, heal, rejuvenate. It's the one place where all of life happens. So it's truly essential that as you focus on a holistic approach in your life, that you also pay attention to the energy in your home. The energy in your home is powerful, and it's there to help you. In fact, I often say it's good to make friends with the energy in your home and let it support you. Be sure to stay to the end of the video because I'll be sharing key essentials for creating a holistic home environment and lifestyle with Feng Shui. And these tips are so grounding and they will just help you feel really good in your space. Before I begin, I'd like to quickly announce that a few spots have opened up for the free one-to-one 45-minute Feng Shui discovery sessions with me. So be sure to stay until the end of the video for the announcement on this. Also, feel free to download your own free copy of my Feng Shui training video. This will really help you get started with Feng Shui. It's got a lot of great tips, and the link for this is in the description. And with that, let's get started. Living a holistic lifestyle means that we look at things as a whole. So this includes your mind, body, spirit, your space, and natural elements. And truly, this is what Feng Shui is all about. I realize that most people relate Feng Shui to purposeful placement in your home, which it absolutely does. But Feng Shui is actually more than that. Feng Shui means wind, water. And wind represents our thoughts, ideas, feelings, and energy. And water represents our physical environment. So as we think, we become. And one supports the other. When we think about living a holistic lifestyle using Feng Shui, our approach includes natural materials, energy, intention, wellness, and of course the 5 elements. And these all work together to create a holistic lifestyle. The other thing is that when we think about a holistic lifestyle, we often look for solutions to create more harmony in our life. And in fact, sometimes we look for really big solutions, but when we begin to fully understand the Feng Shui principles, we can learn how to diagnose what's happening with the energy in our home and life and learn how to make simple changes that support all the key areas of our life. So as you can see, the practice of Feng Shui is very aligned with living holistically. So let's take a closer look. When I work with my clients in the Harmony Blueprint Feng Shui program, we always begin with identifying their intentions and what is most important to them. As you get clear on your intentions, this sets the path for the qi and purposeful placement to take effect in your space. Paying attention to your thoughts is also essential to living a holistic lifestyle, as this affects your well-being, finances, relationships, and much more. Your thoughts, feelings, and emotions drive the energy in your life and what you attract. Another key aspect of living holistically is to honor your own personal qi. And often this begins with meditation, journaling, scripting, even writing your own personal manifesto and affirmations. And all of these constitute the wind part of Feng Shui. Your body is the vessel from which you experience life. And as we learn more about Feng Shui, we can identify how our personality is revealed through the 5 elements and how our organs and parts of our body are supported through the areas of the Bagua and 5 elements within our home. And working with the natural principles of Feng Shui provides a clear and natural way to understand what elements you personally need to live in balance. This is a wonderful and powerful way to support your wellness and well-being holistically. Everything is energy, and everything is always changing. So from a Feng Shui standpoint, everything is connected. And the idea of the Feng Shui is that we connect with the Tao, which is the flow of life, universal energy. It's also referred to as qi. As we connect with this, life becomes more effortless and we feel in the flow. This opens up our path and creates ease and peace. What may have felt like obstacles and stagnant energy is clear once you connect with source energy. Your home reflects and affects your life. Therefore, it's essential that your home reflects who you are today and that it includes what is most supportive to you. When incorporating Feng Shui into your home, we closely look at artwork, furniture, belongings, and placement and all the items in the space. We use our environment, whether it's a home, office, or even a property, to identify what is happening in life, and we use our space and natural elements to support our intentions. We review key areas of our home to ensure that these areas and intentions are supported. And oftentimes, our space can reveal obstacles that, when removed or changed, will create flow in our life, like for prosperity in relationships, health, and more. And as I mentioned, when we make friends with the energy in our space, we create a home that we love and that feels on purpose. Our space represents the water aspect of Feng Shui. To support a holistic lifestyle with Feng Shui, an important aspect, really actually the key central principle, is to incorporate the 5 elements. From a Feng Shui standpoint, there are 5 natural elements: wood, fire, earth, metal, and water. And these elements are all natural and they're found in nature. And the principles of Feng Shui use these elements to support our space, our life, our intentions, even our design decisions and health. And in Feng Shui, we often use natural materials to create our space. So let's take a look at the 5 elements, as these are an essential key to living a holistic lifestyle. From a Feng Shui standpoint, a balanced environment includes all 5 elements. So whether it's anchoring the 5 key areas of your home or a room with the elements, or understanding what elements you need to feel your best, the 5 elements are powerful, revealing, and can truly help you feel more aligned, feel your best, plus create a beautiful design plan for your home. And remember, the 5 elements are the basis of Chinese medicine and acupuncture. So they are used to heal and support our bodies in many ways. Our personality is also revealed through the 5 elements. So understanding how you react in a situation and what you need to live in balance can be helped and supported with the 5 elements. And even our destiny can be revealed in the 5 elements. And we can use the 5 elements to balance our entire home, make design decisions, as well as support our intentions and understand what we personally need to live in balance. So let's review the 5 elements. Wood is the element of vision, action, intuition, and strategy. This element brings drive and courage to life into your space. So wood shows up as plants, wood furniture, designs, stripes and details, cotton, wood, and natural materials. Fire is the element of momentum, movement, and connection. So this may mean exercise and physical movement, or social interactions, or feeling passionate about what you are doing in life and what really fires you up. Fire shows up as candles, lighting, bright colors, artwork that makes a statement, animals, peoples, things that uplift the energy, even artwork such as hawks soaring. Earth is the element of comfort, safety, ease, and stability. Earth shows up as anything made of earth, pottery, terracotta, soil, or warm earth tones, and comfortable, soft furniture and materials. Metal is the element of structure, organization, and routine. And metal shows up as anything made of metal, such as gold, silver, bronze, and its colors, like pastels or even white, all represent metal. Water is the element of flow, creation, reflection, and introspection. So water shows up as reflective surfaces such as mirrors and glass, water features, or artwork with water. Also, it can be black and very dark colors. So as you're living a holistic lifestyle, the question becomes, what do you need more or less of in your life? Because once you know this, you can easily use the 5 elements to support your intentions, to create a beautiful design plan and support your well-being. You can work with the energy in your home to manifest what's most important to you and uplift your home decor. Incorporating a holistic approach to your home and lifestyle encompasses balancing your home naturally. And Feng Shui is more than your home. It's your personal energy and looking at the whole of your mind, body, spirit, and space, and using natural elements to balance and harmonize. And through this process, we can heal, harmonize, and it's all done holistically. And on this note, I conclude this video. I sincerely hope this video was helpful. If you are new to my channel, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Click the little bell over there so that you'll be notified when I post a new weekly video. I'm super excited to announce that a few spots have opened up for a free one-to-one 45-minute Feng Shui discovery session with me. These calls are designed to really diagnose what's happening with the energy in your home and begin to create a plan for opening up the blocks of energy. We'll also see if the Harmony Blueprint Feng Shui program will work for you. So be sure to click the link in the description to sign up, and let's see how I can help you optimize the energy in your home and your life. And we can all do it holistically. And just to share a little bit about the Harmony Blueprint Feng Shui program, this is really designed to help you create a beautiful and peaceful home that improves your prosperity, relationships, and well-being. And it's designed to help you create a plan for arranging your home, for providing support for you to live intentionally. And we typically work with individuals who may be moving into, building, or renovating their homes, or they're looking to enhance the energy in their forever home. And my clients are those who want to use a holistic approach to improve the energy in their homes and also put a real focus on how they honor their personal chi and how they show up in the world. When you make changes to your home, it's sometimes hard to see the space for yourself. Our program helps you to design a plan to ensure that you create a space that you absolutely love. Plus, we have a lot of one-to-one. So if this sounds good to you, be sure to sign up for your free one-to-one Feng Shui discovery session in the description. I'd really love to meet with you and learn about your space. And my free Facebook group is open, so be sure to click the link in the description too. It's a really great community. It's growing like mad. It's got like over 1,000 people, and it's a really wonderful way to connect with me on a personal level. So until next time, stay in the flow, and remember, the answers are always right in front of you.